Welcome back to Peterson Auto. We're doing an update on the military trailer, I guess. Haven't really done much to it. One thing I did want to cover is when I hooked it up to the good old 96 up there, the military jack didn't go low enough. So I bought this Harbor Freight dual wheel. I think it's a boat jack or something, actually. It's like galvanized or some kind of plated, you can see. Mounted it right there. Now it gets low enough to get on to a fairly low vehicle. The trailer sits high in the rear, but it'll attach. And that truck will pull anything, so. Also went ahead and got some good chains there. So, use those whatever, screw-on style Add-A-Links to get that attached. Went ahead and removed the air lines. That system's going to be going away, but eventually I will get a brake controller for this, I think. One of those electric over hydraulics, and mount that up there where the hydraulic system is for the air over hydraulic. So that'd be cool. Eventually. They're expensive, so it's down the road. Got a nice little junction block box added on for all the wiring. Went and ran the factory trailer wiring here. And a 7-pin RV plug. Right there. I think this is going to be the shorter path. I'm going to walk around. Got a license plate on her now. Yeah, got it registered. So put these lights in. That's it for lighting. I mean, that's all it had originally. So just went ahead and put those on versus the military lights, which were 24 volt. So those are 12 volt, so they'll work with pretty much any old truck. A couple cool features I like about this. Right down here is a fold-down jack. Why? I'm not sure yet, but I do like it. You know, if you're loading something heavy in the rear end, without it attached to your trailer, you put that jack down, you're all set. Springs are obnoxiously thick, obnoxiously heavy duty. I somehow want to lower this down, and I'm not sure how yet. So that whole thought process is going on currently. You can see some new wiring in here, and right over there is the vacuum over hydraulic master reservoir. So as you can see, when I do convert it to electric over hydraulic, I just mount it in the same general location as that, and pretty much good to go. Run a line, and that's it. So these old military trailers are pretty easy to do that conversion on. Other than that, I really haven't done anything to it. It's cold and winter out. I could put the cover on it, but I don't think it's necessary. So there's an update on the military trailer, how I made it a little more useful, and I'm making it even more useful as I get the time. Obviously, it's not a priority, but I really wanted to show you guys this jack from Harbor Freight. It was like 30 bucks. And it works great, it really does. The only modification I had to do is there was a handle here, there, and there that I had to cut off. It's the same as that handle there. And I still have that one for the chains on that side, so it works out very nice. Other than that, jack bolted right on, works very well. It's not the world's best jack, but it still works. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.